On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on, our gang? It's early. It's weird starting earlier, I guess so. It's only 15 minutes earlier. Bitcoin's ripping, and we're all here. We're going to jump into the charts because we got to leave early today, so let's jump in now. Bitcoin pumping, man. Bitcoin's ripping to the upside. Let's go, baby. Coming for these highs. Let's see if we can sweep and dip. Sweep and dip. Sweep and shout. Looking for a sweep and shout. We'll see what we get here. Thank you, everybody, for being here early. You guys are already here. Catching the worm. Thank you for being here. HFG, the Dusty, Crypto King. Happy Friday. Yes, it's Friday, baby. It's Friday. I'm going on a little bit of an adventure this weekend. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Alex. Have a beautiful day. Good morning, gang. What's going on? Good morning, BB Bensi. Good morning to you, Chantel. Happy Friday. Curtis Hill. Good morning, Quick Smoker, my man. What's going on, big? Suey is money maker last days. Yeah, man. I got a big old bag of Suey, so it makes me pretty happy. Long and Suey on market open. Could be an idea. Time to swing short this. See? We all got ideas in here. Thank God we don't just trade. We'd have to open a long and a short on the live. Oh my God. Albert Rajag. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Victor. Hopefully you're doing well. I was in Suey, but I don't think it's a good idea to get in now. Yeah, I just have spot bags on Suey, $1.80-ish. Jeez. Okay, so keep pushing here. Good morning, Victor, LJ, Maya. What's going on, family? Good to see you. Ian, Eddie, Splashy Guitars, Goldie Crypto, Xena, Shy Owl. Good morning. Way above VWAP. VWAP actually held as nice support this morning, so you could have longed off VWAP multiple times this morning. Maybe we should have started the stream at 6:45 here. Looks like we do have a nice push going on here. I ain't about to get in the way of this train. Are you kidding me? Are you guys wanting to short this? Let's take a look here. We've updated the It's a lot of the same, right? We have this beautiful, I don't know, everybody gonna be drawing some sort of triangle in here. We know that, right? Everybody drawing a triangle. We got the triangles out there. Maybe we got the flags out there. We got the megaphone pattern guys. We got the, I don't know. Oh, the diamonds are forever people. Those people. And then we have the AlexOCrypto people. This is a range. And keep it very simple, everybody. This is you know, people draw triangles. Man. Just trade the buns, man. Make some money. Trade the buns, baby. We're coming up to the bun right now. The upper lip. We trade the hot dog zone, baby. LJ, what's going on, Sonny? Roving Brave. Crypto Birdie, good to see you. Salcho, Henny, Max, Ritual, what's going on? Dusty, what's going on, Dusty? Good to see you, man. How you been? Happy Friday, Jazz Tech Yo. Good morning, gang. It's just got real. What's going on, Jazz? You all right, bro? Thank you for being here, man. Cheap Vlog. Zooey Rippin'. Bro Rickle. It's been a while, man. How you been? Good to see you, bro. Tetris. Good morning, HFG. Let's go. Tamale. Anybody in the long in here? Anybody in the long? Put a 1 in the chat if you're in the long. Congratulations on your schlong long dinky dong, making money all the way home. Ex-enemy, good morning to you. Mido, Fera. Tamale, my man. What's going on, Tamale? How you been? Good to see you. Keith. King Andrew. Oh, well, we always got to ask the poll today, so we'll ask the poll today. How was your trading week? Because we always got to know. We got to know. We're trying to fix the people who get wrecked, but at least people can be honest in this poll because it's like anonymous. It's anonymous, so it's like just be honest, man, because we want to help people. That's the whole point of this channel. I mean, if you don't want help and you want to do it by yourself, then good luck. Only patterns I draw is channels nowadays and sticking to those SFPs. SFPs are money printers, Maya. Money printers. Let's go. Good morning. Just call me Al. Spaghetti Regretti. Spaghetti Regretti. What a name, man. Hesso, Mr. NJC, King Andrew, DXB. Good morning to you. Eric Crown had a cock and balls pattern on his chart this morning. I'm totally down for that. That is what it's all about. That is what it's all about. I bet you I can find the one he drew. Oh yeah, it's obvious. It's obvious. We have the cock and balls pattern right here. To the moon. I don't know. He's very erect. Probably gonna hit himself in the forehead. Jeez. You guys got me talking about that stuff already on a Friday. We're doing the giveaway today, right? We're doing the giveaway. Should we do the giveaway for the swear jar early? Because I got to go, like right after this stream. I got to go. Go. I mean, I almost got to do it. Right away. What if we did it Monday? Because like literally, if I pick you, like I don't even have time to give it to you. I literally got to go, pack, and leave. And my wife's not going to be happy with me. We'll see. Eddie, good morning to you. Dream big, crypto pondering. Hey, Alex. Saluti. T'Italia. Ti vogliamo bene. Filippo Fornea. Good morning. How are you doing, my man? Buongiorno. Hope all is good, right? Hope all is good. Hope all is good, right? Ti vogliamo bene. It means like I care, right? It's like ti amo. It's like I love you. I care about you a lot. I'm pretty sure. Third generation Italian. I'm a bit of a, you know, they have the Fugazi, they have the Giorgio Armani's, and then they have me, the Giorgio Nomani. Couple of you guys are in longs. Good job, Goldie, Curtis Hill, Dusty. Let's go, Jas. Cheap Vlog, what's going on? Danny Kitchen, good morning to you. Evening, hope all is well. Cheap Vlog. Canadian, yeah, I guess they do. Mark. Good morning, DXE. Chili Hillis. Good morning, Albert Raja. What's going on, my man? Good to see you. This is up only, everybody. We're going, we're hitting the high now. We're breaking out. We're breaking out. We're going to 100K today. 100K today. Here we go. Here we go, everybody. Wow. Nice push. Let's go, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. This is the high in here. This is the actual sweep. My God. We are going to the moon. Fly me to the moon. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful push here for Bitcoin. What is Kyle cooking for you? I think we're going to have Chinese food, he said. Why are the likes so low? I don't know. We got 250 people in here. We showed up early. Probably because I'm suggesting we do the $100, $110 giveaway on Monday when I have time to actually pay you guys. If we do the giveaway today, I ain't going to give you the money until Monday because I got to go. Seems like you guys aren't too upset about that. So we'll do it Monday. We'll do it Monday. I got to go, man. We'll do it Monday. Good morning, Newbie Crypto. Hugo's, good morning. Good to see you. He's long. Long like Donkey Kong. Let's go, baby. I want to join the long club, but we're sweeping the highs right now. Whew. Bitcoin gives zero fooks about anybody. So, does anybody feel like everybody's way too bullish? Does anybody feel like that? I'm getting the sense that everybody's getting way too bullish. That's just me right now. Like I feel like everybody's getting a little bit too excited. And they're going to end up having their hearts broken. I've even considered, because all my altcoins are in profit now, I've even reconsidered to sell some of them, to hedge a bit. Just a thought. I've even considered selling some of it now. I mean, my Sui bags have doubled now. I'm pretty happy about that. Sweep of the high right here. I'd like to short this right now. That's an SFP, everybody. That's an SFP. That is an SFP. Oh, decisions. I don't want to get in the way of the train, guys. I don't want to get in the way of the train here. That is an SFP. We won't deny it. $24 is looking a little bit overextended. Hourly's vertical. 15's a bit overextended. Bitcoin doesn't care. There is no second best. Mark, what's going on? Good morning, Jesse, Newbie Crypto, Hugo's Deluxe, my man. Good morning. Good to see you. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Way too fast, way too bullish, yeah. Good morning, Not. Good morning, Paul Neal. Last pump before the dump. I mean, this could be the high right now. We're sweeping. I feel the same. Yeah, I feel like everybody got those hopium slippers on right now. You go on Twitter, it's just everybody bull posting. It's disgusting almost. What's fear and greed at? Anybody know? We have it in our channel here. Let me check. Fear and greed's at 60. We were at like 10. We were at like 10. We're gonna crash hard at some point. Yeah, I feel like they've been on a weekend bender, you know, and it's Saturday morning for all those guys who've been on a weekend bender. They're up for a couple of days. It's Saturday morning, and the birds are telling you to go to bed. If you know, you know. One of those times in college or whatever. It's time to go to bed. The birds are chirping. And people are getting up and you're going to bed. One of those. I feel like that's how Bitcoin everybody's feeling. Oh man. And it's gonna crash. If you know, you know. Mayba, good morning. Shorts look good. Yeah, especially because they're stalling out right now, right? They're trapping longs at the top here. Deluxe, Alexandra G, Buck. We're so back. Yeah. My whole plan was to sell in spring or in fall. So I'm in the window of when to sell. So I'm allowed to sell at any time if I like Sui right now. I've doubled my money. I don't want to round trip my Sui. I mean, I've made a nice chunk off my Sui. I mean, I bought down here to see it come back down to where I bought $1.60. I mean, I was pissed, man. I was pissed when we were down here. And now we're here. Am I going to be greedy? 140%. Where can you make 140%? But yet I want more. Is that bad? I want more. Little rejection here this morning. Jesus take the wheel on the 15. Okay, so I don't know if you guys understand Jesus take the wheel. So Jesus take the wheel. Okay, this is starting. You got Jesus take the wheel. So you get the arm, the head, the arm, okay? The trigger wave is what moves Jesus take the wheel. It's this right here. It's this right here. So this needs to come down and trigger. It's this part that you trade, in my opinion. Okay? You get me? Because this is an uptrend, right? So you want the Jesus take the wheel trigger. You got to trigger Jesus. And Jesus triggers it, and then you fly. Okay? That's the Jesus take the wheel. Okay, you see here you got a really tall Jesus and a trigger wave. That would be that. And you go short here. And I don't think it played because obviously we're in an uptrend. But look, the short's there. Anyways. Don't mess with Jesus, take the wheels. Okay? Let me see if I can find a good one. There was a 4-hour Jesus take the wheel, I believe. Where was that 4-hour Jesus take the wheel? Right here. You had the 4-hour Jesus take the wheel on this pump right here. All right, you had your Jesus take the wheel right here. Trigger wave to the upside. All right, look at that thing. And this thing played out like Jesus. Jesus didn't even know what to tell you. He just said, we're going to Valhalla. All right, there's your trigger wave. So like I said, I don't know if you're looking to play this move here. You're in an uptrend, right? Trapping longs here. What's going on, Gupta, Nick Musgrave, my man? The mods are going to be watching the Discord like a hawk for me this weekend, I hope. I'll check in every now and then. Reggie Classic. What's going on, Reggie? Good to see you. Better call KP. Good morning. Yanis, good morning to you. AlexOCrypto, good morning. Dusty, what's going on? Ondo. JR. Dex. Mike Whitney. 95.2 and we pooped the bed. We got the 95.2. We're ready for that. Yeah, I see you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 300. Oh, we got 407 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. Looks like we're cooling off right now. A little bit of hopium this morning. A little bit of hopium. This momentum's good, though, this morning. I like the momentum. This is nice. Sweeping the highs right now, though, so I don't know if I want to fade this pump just yet. Yeah, we've swept that a really bad high. The one where we made $1,500 in 3 seconds, that one. I didn't count the candles yet, guys, of how fast we made that money. I think it was like 6 or 7 seconds, but we're going to call it 3 seconds. $1,500 in 3 seconds. That was a good trade. That was a good trade. We'll see how this goes here. So yesterday, let's recap yesterday. Yesterday was funny. I bought the top and still made money. So if we want to talk about it, yesterday we bought the top here. So we bought the orb here. Okay, that was it. We bought it here on the live stream. Okay, but how did I make money? So let's talk about it because it's very important to understand this. So I bought it here, but I still made money. Now, what happened is I gave myself the option to add, right? So I got in half a position size in here, thinking that we would break out, retest the orb and continue. So I was looking for the breakout, retest, continuation trade here. Okay, that's what I was looking for. So what happened is I realized that I'm pretty much buying the top here, and it's probably not a good idea. Okay. However, I didn't want to miss the move. I knew I had NASDAQ was pumping, SPY was pumping. I had the itch that it was going to continue to rip. However, I was really early. So I went half a position size. Now, my stop loss, as you guys know, at the end of the live stream was below this low here. Okay? Invalidation. I'm wrong if it goes here. However, we came to VWAP and we slapped VWAP and I added here, lowering my average here. Okay? And then managing to get out of the trade right in here. So because I had direction correct, because I went half a position size and I was able to add at a critical level, and I didn't add on the dip, I added as we bounced. Okay, so I added on the bounce, which is one of my rules. We're breaking out right now. Now we're okay. I added on the bounce. I was able to get out of the trade in profits. Okay, in profits. And if you need the proof, I mean, I'll always provide you with the proof, baby. A nice little $600 on that stupid trade. Now I traded. This was a bad trade. Okay, this was rushed. This was stupid. Okay, $580. But what is the lesson here? What did we learn here? Okay. One, we learned, let me get rid of this and let's watch price action. No trade for me right now. One, we learned that when you trade with trend, you can be an absolute dumbass like I was yesterday, and you can still make money, okay? So with this trade, I bought the top, okay, and I still made money. Why is that? Because when I entered the trade and I bought here, right, the price came all the way down to here. I entered the trade here like a dumbass, okay? But because my invalidation point was below the previous low, the significant low here, I was able to still get out in profits, okay? This is why the trend is your friend until the end, right? This is important. This is why we always want to align with trend, because managing your risk to this low, and I was okay with being wrong yesterday, but I also had the ability to add, lower my average, and get in because I bought high. I knew I was buying high yesterday. Okay? But this is why we trade with trend. Because it, like literally, the worst entry you could have had at that moment in time would to be buying where I was. Okay? AlexOCrypto, buying tops, baby. Okay? Buying tops. And still making money. Thought I'd share that with you guys. It's just the invalidation point, right? Like I was okay losing that $300, $400 yesterday if we came below, but we didn't. We didn't. This looks toppy, man. Compounded $100 to 5K. Let's go. CME hit 95.4. Nice. Good idea for short now on confirmation. I'll short this thing to 0 on confirmation. Assad, yeah, we need confirmation though. Our major resistance is up here around 95.2 to 95.6. This area here, we're sweeping the highs, so this is invalidated now. So is this right now. So we're continuing to push here. Thank you everybody for being here. We got 450 people here. 113 likes. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Bitcoin going to the moonsy. To the moonsy. I think we should first smash the like button. I agree, Attila. Is short good, Alex? Like I said, we want confirmation. This thing is just pushing, right? It's very aggressive. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Look at this volume coming in. My God. My God. Love volume in the morning, baby. Volume in the morning. Rising to the streets. Light me up a cigarette. Got to find a reason. A reason to be home. Zen, good morning. Grandmaster Ape. Good morning, my man. How you doing? Spoon? Let's go. Good morning, Tony Soprano, my man. Nasdaq seems tired. Are you meeting Kyle? Would you stream together? We're gonna break bread, my man. We're breaking bread, me and Kyle. When short. Let's go. Felipe, good morning. Swipe, good morning. Mark Dutch, Jesse, good luck. Richie Roofs, good morning. Good to see you, man. Crypto Billy 88. Good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Make sure you do say good morning. Smash up those like buttons. Yeah, we're gonna do the giveaway Monday. I literally have to pack and leave, so it just be rushed, and I mean, I'm not going anywhere, guys. You'll be okay, and it'll stop you from trading on the weekend, right? Right, Brumbolo, go and touch some grass Monday. Start with a fresh, whatever, $50, and lose that money. Don't do it on the weekend because you're just gonna ruin your weekend. Go and touch some grass. That's smart. Soul just popped. Nice. I think Soul just missed our level again from yesterday in the Discord. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Mafangulo. Link. Oh, Link came close. I don't know, guys. I guess I'm missing something. I don't got the Midas touch, man. Milan, good morning. Zen. Reversal confirmation, Alex. Just reversal confirmation. No, there's no reason to try and buy the top or sell the top, man. Good morning, good afternoon, Muckin. How's it going, man? Good to see you. Good morning, good people. Night Rains. Good morning, Blocky Crypto. David Brumbolo. Jakes. Good morning, Jakes. Do you like the price action today? Matthew Sheldon. Andrew Cameron. Let's go, baby. Tune. Blocky Crypto. HRJ Trading. What's going on, bro? HRJ Trading with the setup. My God. How many percentages was that? I don't even know, man. I think HRJ gave the signal in our Discord. I mean, the best Discord in all of crypto. Whew. My God. My God. Oh, God almighty. Incredible. Incredible stuff, man. Incredible stuff. 5 traders. $50 a month. 5 traders. Kicking ass, taking names. Every single day. Live streams, good streams. Got a nice testimonial yesterday. I think it was Jason. Jason gave us a nice testimonial yesterday. I mean, you guys are always saying nice things. I don't even know what to do with it. Just for your information, this is one of the best places to hang around. Everyone's pretty cool, and there's a ton to learn here. I tried other Discords, and it's not even close to as much, well, I guess, help. I just wanted you to know you built something really cool here, and I'm glad I joined when I did. See? Thanks, Jason. It means a lot, bro. I'm sure there's other people who would say the same thing. We're trying, man. We show up every day. That's it. Yeah, I'm going near the valley, Cameron. Yeah, I'll be up near Gatineau. So Renfrew area. We're gonna do a little sale in like a month. Maba not regretting a single moment of subbing to the gang. Thank you, Maba. We love you. Jedi Gaze, you're long from yesterday. Nice job, man. You're in Renfrew. Hockey tape, man. Andrew Cameron likes hockey tape. You guys still make all the hockey tape in Renfrew? I don't know. Hopefully you didn't grow up with my cousins. They're a nightmare. Crypto Sammy, good morning to you. I would take profits on that long. I would take some off. I mean, you're at the top of the range. You're as high as it gets for now. So why wouldn't you pay yourself a little bit, right? I ain't your dad though. But you're as high as you've been since whatever. I don't know. We can go back in time if you want. But you're as high as you've ever been since February. Think about it that way. Can this still go up? Absolutely. Are we coming into a big level of resistance? Absolutely. All it takes is one orange man fart, and down we go. He's saying we're going to get China. No short right now. What's going on, Zonas? Good to see you, man. Felipe Coin. Geronimo. Thank you for subbing, man. I appreciate you, bro. Sui token surges 62% amid Pokemon collaboration rumors. Pokemon, mon. Let's go. I mean, my bags are packed. My bags are packed. Let's send it to Valhalla. We missed our entry yesterday as well. My God. We've been trying to catch the gravy train this whole time. And I closed my long too early. Oh, this one hurts. This one hurts. But HRJ gave the trade in our Discord, so I mean, you could have got in on that. I mean, the Discord's crushing it, so. All right, roll over here. Good morning. Yes, I'm relaxed. Oh, man. How many open mouth thumbnails do you think we're going to get today? You think we're going to do a Barris Soloway thumbnail or what? I should have. What was that guy's name yesterday? Who says I'm mean? What was his name? Was it Shoe Bagger? Shoe Bagger. Here you go, Shoe Bagger. This is a man bun, Shoe Bagger. Okay. Merry Christmas. Dump it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Down to my order block. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Looking for the long here. Looking for a long continuation trade. We'll see what we get here. Thanks everybody for being on the live here. We're pumping today, baby. We're pumping, baby. Love it. I love it. We have 500 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Hopefully you guys had a good trading week. If not, well, hopefully we'll help you make it a little bit better. A wee bit better. A lot of you guys are up. We're not talking about your spot bags. Wrecked should not be the case. Break even, down. Okay. 40. We typically end up like we aim for 40%. I appreciate your honesty. You don't have to disclose yourself. If you are wrecked, maybe you want to come over to the free section of the Discord. Love to help you out with some of your trade setups or whatever. It's always risk management. You should only be risking 1% of your account per trade. And if you're risking more than that, you're going to end up in a lot of trouble. Okay? So make sure that you are managing your risk. You should never end up being wrecked. Okay? If you're break even, you're doing a great job. I'm always happy to see people who are break even. That means there's a couple of tweaks, a couple of miscues maybe in your setups or your style, or maybe you're winning, but then you're not managing your risk on your other trades, and that ends up making you break even. It's good to work with break even. Break even's very fixable. Okay, this is why you need to get a journal. You need to document. You need to reflect every day after you trade. Then you can make a better decision based on statistics. Right? 1 minute coming down here. Pretty aggressive here. Let's see how it reacts with this order block down here. Come on, baby. A little bit more. No? Still waiting here. Got view up below us, but it's a bit far in my opinion. It's a bit far. We'll see how it goes here. Coming down. Trying to be patient here. Set the trap. Order block. Retest. Stop loss below the low of the order block. Okay. Common trade we take in the Discord. Right now it's pretty aggressive though. Be aware. Thank you for the super chat. People are on Floki are making a big mistake. It's literally on the meme, the only meme from the last cycle to all-time high with an ETP launching soon. Saber, thanks for the super chat, man. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't hold any Floki, but thank you for the super chat, man. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Happy Friday to you, and thank you for the super chat. Pengu coin, no idea on Pengu coin. Wix wife, fine 89. Let's go, wifey. Wifey and Dave Digital in the chat. Been wrecked time for me. Now I'm looking to play safe, Alex. Good. That's good. I think everybody needs to get wrecked a couple times to want to change. If you don't want to change, you're going to get the same results. We know this. I don't got to tell you guys this. But if you don't want to manage your risk, you don't want to put in the work, and you want to get lucky, you're gambling, right? You're gambling. At the end of the day, we're all gambling, right? It's just how are you putting the odds in your favor, right? Are you managing your risk, right? It's coming down. Yes, don't be too greedy. Gains are gains, man. You made $1,800. You make $1,800, right? Some people make that in a month, right? Poof. Right? Shorted Sui, Crypto Creek, sending it down to 0. Let's go. That's overextension. I'm still waiting here. We'll see how it goes. I'd like to see this. I'd like to see how it reacts in these order blocks down here. Okay, so like a little bit of patience here. Little bit of patience. Trading is waiting, baby. Look at the NASDAQ looks like a friggin' flamingo. Look at this thing, man. Give it a little turkey wing here. Caw-caw. My God. That is a rounded top, which has came back to where it started. So this could continue up. 8:35. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We started early today because we do got to leave basically at market open. Market open, baby. Are you go long, Alex? Not yet, man. Not yet. I'm still waiting here, man. We haven't come low enough, in my opinion, to get long yet. Okay. We do have an engulfing candle here on the 3-minute, but not for me. Pretty overextended here. I'd prefer us to come down into this area here. If we can come down into here, I mean, we have retested previous highs. Okay, we have order block up here. So we're looking in general here for potential continuation if we see the right stuff. Okay. If we don't see the right stuff and we get some sort of bearish divergence, we'll see. Right now, there's nothing that's screaming to me that is a potential trade. Just want to be patient here. Pushing back quite nicely. 15 minutes so overextended here. It's pretty but I mean, who cares, right? At this there's a Jesus take the wheel for you right there. Trigger wave. Long. Gone. Okay. You can't unsee them once you start seeing them. Lots of room on that 4 hour. The 4 hours, this has reset the 4 hour so nicely. Just saying. 8 hour money flow is so beautiful. Just saying. VWAP crossover. Just saying. Curvature to the upside. Just saying. Nice curvature. Gotta love that curvature on the cipher, man. Nice push here. Quick swipe, gains for life. Good to see you, man. How you been? Pushing here. 600 viewers, 180 likes. That's typically how it goes. Lurkers in here. Jimmy B, Wody, good morning. Trade like a jellyfish. BC Port Corp, good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Salt and pepper. That's me, Mr. Salt and Pepper. I got a lot of gray hairs. I get a haircut. I'm like, just hide the gray. I'm just happy I have hair. That's it, man. That's it. Happy to have hair. All right. These shorter term time frames are really topping out, though. Bitcoin doesn't really care about the shorter term time frames, does it? Nice continuation here. Anybody get long in here? I couldn't justify getting long here. Not for me. I guess I'll miss the pump if it goes, but I know how to get in on a pump though. If the pump goes, we can get in on it, right? If we break out here, we can look for the retest of previous highs, continuation trades. There's many ways to get in. Volume has really died down. That's concerning. What this does, it opens the door for a sweep of the highs in here and a bearish divergence. Okay, so be aware of that as well. Okay, don't get tomfoolery. You are buying the top right now. This is literally the top since February. So let's be well aware of that. Hey, I mean, if you bought the top on Sui, you made money. So what can we say, right? What can we say? It's just a bit more risky. That first haircut when you see a large percentage of gray hair. Yeah. I started getting them in my beard now, Dave. I mean, I had one in my mustache and I plucked it. Randy Taylor's shorting it from here. Let's go, Randy. Short casts, short virtuals. What's going on, RMT? My man, how you been, man? Wayne C, hopefully you got a sandwich going on there. I could go for a sandwich. I don't know if there is, like, if you woke me up in the middle of the night and you handed me a sandwich, I wouldn't be mad. A nice Havarti cheese salami sandwich. My God. I get the crumbs in the bed and everything. I'd be that guy. I have the nothing better than a sandwich. Hey, wait and see. Did you sing to Wifey Wick for her birthday? I sang for Wick's birthday. Is it Wifey's birthday today? I had tuna sweet corn. Let's go, Wayne C. Wifey, is it your birthday? Happy birthday to you. Let's see some wifey emojis in the chat, guys. Wifey emojis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Dear wifey, happy birthday to you. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And many more. Happy birthday, wifey. God bless you guys. They got stickers. They got a mug. You guys are amazing, man. Happy birthday. You guys got back-to-back birthdays, so you guys must have a really, really fun week. Birthday. It's your birthday and I know you want to run. You say you want passion. Pussy deck. You're going on a time out for being a dick. It's your birthday and I know you want a time out. Tony, I'm going to sing to you every single day until you tell us it's your birthday. I would not quit my day job either, Mark Dutch. I press buy and sell pretty successful. And yeah. Tony Soprano's birthday tomorrow. Okay, we're singing for Tony now. Happy birthday. Tony Soprano's in the chat. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tony Soprano. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Tony, for always being here for the past 3 years and putting up with my singing. Aw. Wixwife 589. $10 super chat. It's your birthday. I should be giving you money. I should be giving you money. I'm just a bachelor, beautiful, looking for a partner. Without even falling on. Become better, so to push me to my limits. Let's go. Happy birthday to Wick's wife, 589, and Tony Soprano. Tony Soprano, he loves a Wu-Tang, so we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, you guys getting your money's worth. I'm getting off my soapbox. All right. Happy birthday, everybody. Tony, wifey, God bless you guys. Thank you for always being here, hanging out. I appreciate you guys. Topping out here. Bitcoin doesn't know where it wants to go. It's got everybody faked out this morning, ripping to the upside, doesn't know which direction. Some of y'all are short and suey. Send it to 0. All right. Great job. Bitcoin looking a bit toppy here. Bitcoin looking a bit toppy. We'll see. Very aggressive, though. Nice aggressive push. Random AF this morning. You got just continuation. That's basically what you have. Looks like the Nasdaq's rolling over a little bit here. Might be a little bit of an upside down cup and handle pattern. I don't know if you guys trade those things. I don't trade those things, but lots of fair value gaps below us here, so be aware. Just very toppy here, so like we're getting divs here. Yeah, lots of divs here. So we got straight divs coming at us right now. 2-hour divs, 3-hour divs, 4-hour divs. Lots of divs, guys. Okay, divs all around. Everybody's handing out divs, so be aware. Higher time frames. I don't want to fade this pump. If we come down below this low here and we retest, then we get short. Comprende? Comprende. Hey. Comprende. Patience will prevail. Someone said Kyle's live. Let's see what Kyle's looking at. What's Kyle looking at? Kyle's looking at the corn. He's looking handsome, at least. Hey, boo. See you later. You ever stream someone while streaming? Let me turn the sound on.
In terms of USDT. So on like BingX, I have like $100,000 account for swing trades, and that will never go past 100,000. If it goes past 100,000 by the end of the month, I pull that out.
He's talking about
and that's why I either pay myself
matters.
Or I'll put it into Bitcoin, or I'll put it into an asset or a dividend stock so I can earn passive income. But I take the surplus at the end of each week or each month, depending on like what I'm feeling basically, and then I put that into other stuff. AlexOCrypto, are you on the road, bro? AlexOCrypto is coming over today. And then then I'll just take that off the exchanges, and then I'll.
No trade right now. Remember live stream hopping when we were live for 6 hours? Yeah, that was a long day, Alexandra G. We were watching other people. We were like it was like the Matrix, you know? You have the screen, watching the screen, watching the screen, watching the screen. You know when you're in the elevator and there's mirrors on both sides and you just got a million bajillion of you? Only narcissists like that, by the way. Army Piper, what's going on, bro? Are we shorting this thing down to 0 or what? Coming down into our area that we're interested in. Mirror. 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 Canadians just say mirror. 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 Is that better? Nice short, Dusty. So we've mitigated the low here. Coming back into this area here. See what we get. Volume coming in on that candle, pretty aggressive here. NASDAQ looks like it wants to roll over. Sweet. Making a higher low. Continuation here. See what happens with this candle here. Get follow through or no? Follow through or no? Potential long here. Up to the highs. Still waiting. Splitting hairs here, man. I'd have to be really cheap. I'd have to come underneath this low here if I was to get in on this position. I don't like that. Still waiting here. No trade. We got bull divs as well. 1 minute bull divs aren't like, you don't write to your grandma about 1 minute bull divs, but still valid. Thank you everybody for being here, smacking up the like button, subscribing if you're new, all that good stuff. I do appreciate you guys being here, hanging out. Got 600 people in here, 600 people. That's pretty incredible. I do appreciate your guys' support. Curtis Hill sitting on hands. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. That's the lower low. Yes, Jakes. That is the lower low. So we could be looking for the retest back in and the short down. However, nice bullish continuation here. No trade for now. If we come lower and we get some sort of sweep and buyback, that's what I'm looking for, right? This is a sweep, but it's not into a key area. That's the problem. If we don't have a key, if there's no confluence in that area, why would we take the trade, right? It's forcing a trade's never gonna help us make money. Almost 9 o'clock, everybody. Eddie says pump it. 1 hour SFP coming. Yeah. Anything under 5 minutes has too much noise. I like the 3 minute. I like the 3 minute. 3 minutes good for me. Yeah, but yeah, there's a privilege in zooming in. Let's leave it at that. And if you're zooming in, you must understand what the 5 minute to 15 minute looks like, right? If you don't understand what price action looks like on the higher term time frames, there's no way you should be zooming in. Because you're just gonna, it's like getting a micro penis, and it's not gonna be useful unless you have the schlong, the big picture, right? You want to have that big picture. It's Friday, man. I can't help it. Sometimes it just comes out. It just comes out, man. I can't help it, man. How would I know? I just, at one point in life, every man has a micro penis. I mean, I have an 8-month-old son. It's not, I don't know. We're not going to go down there, Sammy. We're not going to go down that road. We're not going to. But she said I was perfect. I don't know. What other, I'm a former construction worker. You can't unlearn construction humor after doing it for your whole, I worked construction from 16 to 32. Okay? 13 years as a carpenter. I got all the tickets if you want to see them. Did you guys know on a Fat Max, okay? Did you guys know? Cool tricks, okay? Did you know that this is an eraser for pencil on wood? Did you know that this is an eraser? Boop, 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 boop. Did you know that? Okay, this is an eraser. I bet you didn't know that. Okay? Did you know? I can't show you guys on here. Did you know? Okay, you guys are learning stuff now. See? 0.211/16. That's a half an inch minus. That's a half an inch plus 2 tickies. That's how my apprentices used to call it. Look at all these. Look, see, I changed some lives today, man. I changed some lives today. Let's go, baby. I mean, what day trader has painter's tape beside him? I got painter's tape. I got a Stanley Fat Max. What else? Do I have any other tools here? So I did 2 years of home renovations as an 18-year-old. I did renos for 5 years. Then I joined the Carpenters Union, did my apprenticeship, got my journeyman, did high rise, did commercial, did steel studs, did plastering, taping, mudding, you name it. There's a video on my channel. I renovated my entire basement, did the kitchen, did all the boarding, all the drywall, all the framing, all the flooring, all the plastering, So can do it all. And then I hired Mark Dutch to paint. Next time I'll give you Sakatoa. He'll give me the Sakatoa, man. Yeah, guys. Trigger wave coming in here. Painting the ceilings are the worst. Yeah. They got that blue paint that dries white. Because if you're looking up at white paint all day long, everything looks white. It's a pain in the arse. I am part Italian, yes. It looks perfect until it dries. Yeah, that's the one, man. Stilts suck. I got stilts because I'm short. But stilts for plastering, man, butt joints. I got a picture somewhere of me on the tools. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. I was doing form work. I think I sent it to Piper. Let me see. I think I sent it to Piper. Let me see here. I got a picture somewhere. Or did I send it to Billy? Oh no, there's me back in the day. This was I was putting 70 stories form work. I look cool, man. No, I don't look cool. I look like I was a bit of a douche canoe. Look at me, douche canoe. Post form work, 70 stories, doing form work. Look at that guy. Oof, oof. $70 story. I think I put about 6 or 7 industrial high rises. Where's your cigarette? I quit smoking 4 years ago. I used to smoke 2 packs a day, Sammy. I used to smoke 2 packs a day, man. So shout out to those who've quit smoking. The hardest thing you'll ever do. I used to smoke like 50 a day, easy on site, easy. I smoked Benson and Hedges. They're called Belmonts in Canada. 8 years non-smoking. Good job. Carpenters do make good money. You make about 110, 120 a year as a carpenter. About $48 an hour in the union, plus benefits, plus pension. Yeah, it's like $25 a pack here too. But I mean, you start as an apprentice, right? You make like $18, then $25, then $30, then 30. I think it's 40, and then as a journeyman, you're making good money. Coming down here. Dusty, you still in that short, buddy? Making money. Indonesia, it's only $2 for a pack, yeah. I quit drinking at 39. Yeah, I quit drinking. Yeah, I quit drinking too. Marlboro Whites, yeah. You're using rollies? Rollies are cheaper. Switzerland, yeah, that's expensive. Yeah, smoking's not cheap, man. And like over in Canada, we have reserve smokes, so you can go up north, and the native people they have bags of smokes you can buy, and they're cheap. Like you get $10 and you get like 100 smokes, right? And big bag of smokes, and you'd smoking, and sometimes they won't let. They're so bad. They one time I swear it's like I pulled a stick. It's like I pulled a stick out of the. I pulled a stick out of the whole smoke. It wasn't lighting. I was like, what the. But yeah, we used to use bag cigarettes for mixing with our other stuff, you know. So back in the day. But you cheap smokes, reserve smokes, man. That's what it was all about. Golden Lake, Andrew knows. That's the one. Not the hardest thing for you? Yeah, it makes sense. I think it's association. Like for me, I always had a smoke in my mouth for like anything. Tell about the other stuff, yeah. Smoking weed's like every kid in Canada smokes weed. So it's like, I don't know. Dope is for dopes, man. Like, I mean, I never hate on it. I'm not one of those smokers who says, "Oh, you should quit." I understand. Like, I'm never gonna be that guy who says, "Oh, you're a dirty smoker." I hate people like that, man. People are like, "You're dirty. You should quit smoking." I quit smoking, and it's like, and don't be one of those people, man. Quitting's not hard. I quit like 10 times already. I quit. I used to quit 20 times a day, Attila. I used to quit 20 times a day, man. Weed is better than Xanax. Let's go. Oh, man. You guys are something. You guys are on one today. It's Friday. Hey, your portfolios are up. Everybody's happy. The Alex O Morning Show. Everybody here is slapping on the what are those Nick? We should just get Nicorettes. Bite, bite, stop, everybody. Bite, bite, stop. Oh man, Brumbelow, that's a lot, man. 5 packs. Oof. Camels too, man. Those are strong. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Everybody go out for a smoke, okay? Go out for your smoke. Come back, hit the like button. Brewberry, everybody's talking about smoking today, man. What's going on, Brew? Good to see you, brother. I remember smoking on airplanes. Army Piper. I was in a layover in France, and they have this smoking booth. This was when I was in my 20s, and they had this like smoking booth, right? Literally, it's like 10 by 10. And you got like 100 people in here all smoking and like a little vent at the top. I literally, but like you get off the plane, you want to have a dart, right? It's the worst thing ever. It's like some stadiums in Canada, you can't smoke in sports events, like outside of them. So I walked into this smoking booth with this little vent. I took one deep breath and I left. I almost puked. It was so bad. It was so bad. So bad. Ugh. It was like glass windows. Like glass windows and they were yellow. You guys remember? So we used to have we would have like sub shops, right? So we'd have like the sub shop and they'd have like the sub shop and like in the 90s they started banning cigarettes, right? So we would be there in the arcade section of the sub shop and then they'd have like this glass door divider here where like everybody was smoking. They'd have like a smoking section and like people are in and out all the time, right? So it's like, to me, that's like having a peeing section in a swimming pool. Like, it's like you guys can pee over here, but the kids over here playing the video games, they're not going to get affected by it. You remember those? It's a pee section in a swimming pool, man. Oh, man. Line of plants. That's wild, man. Good morning, Pink. Good morning, Hugos. Smoking section. Smoke everywhere. Yeah. I don't know where I don't know where Ricard is smoking, man, but he's smoking hot. How young are you? I'm 35, man. I'm 35. Born in 1990. Last of a dying breed, okay? We still have to use the streetlights to go home, okay? Infinite Team, what's going on, bro? So we get a push up this morning, and then all of a sudden we stall out. What could it be more typical? We have money coming out here. We got bearish divergence on all of our higher time frames. We got strong momentum to the upside, so it's like, why would we fade this? But still waiting here. 650 people here. Thank you guys so much for being here. We're talking about smoking today. Don't ask me why. I'm 23 and I feel like I'm running out of time. Bro, you got enjoy it. Enjoy it. You're not running out of anything, man. When we were young, we had libraries. Yeah. That's where we hung out, yeah. 648 votes on the poll, only 260 likes. Yeah, that's kind of weird, eh? Everybody wants to tell me they're up this week, but they don't want to like the stream. Kind of funny. That's fine. Kind of like this right here. Might get long. Might get long here. It's the decreasing volume that's messing with my head. I just want to see an SFP. Take it back up. SFP. Drop it back down. Got 10 minutes till market opens. I won't be staying long today, everybody. Got to go. Going to see Kyle. Going on a little bit of a family getaway this weekend. I won't be as active in the Discord either. We did an extra Discord session yesterday. Good morning, little fish. Rohit. I'm looking for a long 93.9, 93.5 this morning. Are you going to go live this morning, Brewberry? We'll send them to you if you get live. I know you love us sending the stream to you. Brewberries are one of our traders in our Discord. Great person. Sometimes he yells at the channel or at the price action and says it's absolute dog shit, and I appreciate that, bro. That's top notch, man. That's top notch. I'm finishing up at 9:30 here, buddy, so I'm finishing up in 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. Happy birthday, wifey and Tony Soprano. What's going on, chicken? Good to see you, bro. How you been? Rohit Kumar, you've already said that, man. We know Gio's coming on in 10 minutes. Thank you. Nice. Okay, bro. Discord will be in your stream. I guess the trade was the short, but it's like we could have longed into this morning. We could have got long in here right around. I mean, we started the stream right here, so it was a little bit iffy. The long was definitely from VWAP. Here we had beautiful VWAP support. VWAP support in the morning's been good, like just before live stream. You can see in here we had it yesterday as well. That's where we got long yesterday. Had another retest, bullish divergence continuation in here. That was a nice little bull div. We just missed this on the live stream, and we were teaching. We just missed this in the Discord live stream. Confirm green dot here. Trigger wave on the 5 minute. 8 minute VWAP curving up. 12 minute resetting. 15 resetting as well. I think today you could get a definite sweep. Don't fade this, but I think today you guys could get a definite sweep and then a retracement. That you don't want to fade this until you have confirmation though. Okay? Cuz if you do not get above here and flip, okay, this is your golden pocket. Macro golden pocket 96,400. Okay, that's major resistance. So if you start to rip, understand that's there, okay? The volume really starts to pick up right here at 95.4. So that's a definite sell wall. You have put in bearish divergence here. Bear divs typically come back down to where they started, right? So you're looking to come back down to minimum 90,000. At least for these lows in here. At least. Still waiting here. JR, what's going on? Rohit. Alex, good morning to you. How do you watch Brewberry Show? He shares it out in our Discord. Just go over to our Discord and he shares it in the chat there. Yes, yes, chicken. Wick, wick, wiggity. Friday's always shite. So for this trade right here, we have order block below us, retest to previous highs VWAP, right? So for me, the better trade's down here. Okay, the better trade is this thing surges down, bounces, reclaims, and goes, retesting the highs and pushing back up into an SFP up at the high here. Okay. The other one is a little bit more of a doozy here. So we break this ugly ass flag thing. We put it in a higher low and we look for continuation. Stop loss needs to go below the lows here though. You're basically going off momentum. This one in here, much more appealing. Okay. Order block, previous highs, VWAP. It must hold and then you go. Or you can be Dusty, who shorted the top, because Dusty's a G. What's going on, Scott? Good to see you. 85.5. Yeah, we have a key level down at 85.5. I like that level. Shite, Sammy, we've established that shite is not a swear word on this channel. Shite is not a swear word. I'm very happy everybody's portfolio's up. Very happy. Great job, everybody. B Team Crypto, the Granite Grappler, with 5 gifted AlexOCrypto memberships. Life in AI, Lurker. Mehmed, Lurker. Offshore Miner, Lurker. Ron Johns Jr., good morning to you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Andre, Lurker. Thank you so much, B Team. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you're well. How's Fionn? Good to see you, man. God bless you, man. I'm pretty sure I said that right. $664 people. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. Randy Hipper, good morning. I'm going to get long here. I'm long. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Pay for my gas today. Stop loss to entry. And I'm stopped out. Who cares? Let's go, baby. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everybody. Bitcoin's ripping. Now look at it go. It's going up. It's going up, baby. It's going up. It tapped that order block, baby. It tapped that order block. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend. God bless you guys. Be safe out there. Touch some grass. Touch some ass. Whatever you're into. I appreciate you guys for being here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the